Center turn lanes are marked with solid yellow lines on the outside and broken yellow lines on the inside. Using a center turn lane to enter a primary street is key to making a left turn when the street is busy. After stopping behind the crosswalk, you may crawl forward in order to see in both directions. After traffic from the left is clear and the center turn lane is clear, make the turn into the center turn lane. Turn on the right turn signal. When the lane closest to the center turn lane is clear, make the lane change into that lane. If traffic is light or absent, you may turn directly into the center lane or the new lane.